So we went through a couple of these. One thing I want to just go over real quick to show you, because I think it's a pretty powerful exercise, is this ChatGPT core business demonstration. And what we have here are several different scenarios to work through. So this is a data analysis scenario. I'll count on this card. Now here's another card. And this is a legal document review and deposition analysis scenario. And then we've got a customer support policy lookup, automation scenario. So these are different scenarios that you can run through to kind of get a feel for some capabilities, and they all kind of work the same, but I just want to explain it real quick. First of all, within each scenario, we've got a video. So when you click to run this,
We've got some sample
I'm
files with our
I
support.
basically go through the whole scenario. So I explain it step by step, and you can click on that to make those videos bigger. Um, this button here, you click it, it's going to launch the ChatGPT, the free version of ChatGPT, launch that into a new window. So you've got quick and easy access to the tool that we're going to be using and testing with. And then we've got several steps: step one, step two, step three, and they're little buttons. So when you click on step two, notice this card changes, right? So step one, step two, step three, step four. So those are your task cards to take you through the scenario. And then you've got some other buttons that are resources. Um, here's step one is going to say download the support ticket. So here's the support ticket. You download from there. And then here's the customer transaction spreadsheet. Again, you'll download it from there. So that's step one. Step two is you're going to upload them into the chat GPT, and then you're going to do a prompt, and it's going to step you through the process and have a little conclusion to kind of help you, guide you towards a conclusion that I'm hoping you'll come to. But again, we've got several different scenarios to work through, and it's really designed to enlighten you, to help you understand like some of the capabilities, just with the free tools that are out there. And that's all great, but we need to take a little bit of a stronger level of control over the AI so you can manage it, organizationally. And that's those are resources as well that we'll be able to help you with.